Chapter 2, Part C. So, Real Estate Foundation was created in 1985 and is a corporation, 1985. This foundation is administered by a board of governors. So, I had a board of governors. There are five members. The foundation receives all the interest payable on all brokerage agents' trust accounts. They use this money and money earned on investment to further the purpose of the foundation and to pay administrative expenses to highlight to further the purpose. So basically, whatever the purpose of this foundation is, to run it, right? Yeah. Next, the Real Estate Error and Omission Corporation, 1 million, right? This was created in 1988 by amending the Act, highlighted 1988. It is still continued under the Real Estate Services Act. This was created to protect licensee, from financial loss due to error and omission. This compulsory program, compulsory, provides protection to the public, knowing they will not be left with any empty judgment. Meaning, if they sue, there will be money to be compensated, right? The Real Estate Council collect these fees on behalf of error and omission. So, on behalf of. Thus, creating a Real Estate Error and Omission Insurance Fund. If licensee fails to pay the assessment fee, it will result in immediate suspension of a license. Basically, if the real estate commit a mistake, so that's why they have to have the error and omission, which will cover them for $1 million. Okay. The Real Estate Compensation Fund Corporation is established from the Real Estate Services Act. The Act requires the Real Estate Fund Corporation to establish a fund called Special Compensation Fund. Highlight Special Compensation Fund. The Special Compensation Fund is intended to provide compensation to people in real estate transactions for funds that were misappropriated or intentionally not paid. Highlight intentional. For funding other than grants will come from assessments of licensees. Highlight assessment of a licensee. Licensees will be suspended the next day if not paid. Right? Highlight next day. Suspended next day. Licensees do not need to be bonded, as this special compensation fund replaces the requirement under the Real Estate Services Act. So you have to pay. Okay. So there are 4 levels of licensing. One is brokerage, right? Old agency basically. So first it was used to be known as agency, right? Being a licensee on behalf of whom other licensee must provide real estate services. All real estate transactions are performed through a brokerage, like Omax Realty. The brokerage is allowed to only offer the real estate services, right? Highlight only real estate services. Managing broker is licensed permit to offer. The brokerage must maintain proper books, accounts, and other records. Highlight maintain proper books, accounts. So then comes the managing broker. Old it was known as a nominee. Highlight nominee. Being a licensee is responsible for a brokerage as provided in section 6. Every brokerage must have managing a broker. Highlight must have managing broker. The managing broker supervise associate brokers, reps who are licensed in their brokers. The managing broker is responsible for exercising all the rights of the, responsible for using all the rights. Controlling the brokerage, controlling, and performing the duties imposed on the broker. So supervising, controlling, and performing. So 3 words you can highlight. The managing broker job. Associate broker is also known as old agents 9.15 before, right? Being a licensee who meets educational experience requirement to be managing broker, but is providing risk service under the supervision of the man, highlight supervisor. Must be 19 years old, highlight 19 years old, with 2 year experience as a rep. 19, 2 year experience as a rep prior to associate broker license. Right? So must be 19 years old, 2 year experience, right? Prior to become the associate broker. Rep is also known as salesperson. Being a licensee providing real estate services under the supervision of a managing broker, person can start the real estate trading at 18, higher 18 years. This is tricky. You can start when you are 18 years. Course you can start 18, but the license you can get when you are 19. But cannot apply for a license through the concept until they are 19 years old. So what is the age to do a course? 18. When can you be licensed? 19.
Can you do the exam at 18?
Yeah. That's the beauty. Note, if a managing broker, associate broker or rep stops working for the company, right? Or goes to another company, just quit real estate, for example, that person's license automatically becomes inoperative, inoperative. That person is re-engaged by the same or other brokerage until, right, the brokerage license will automatically become inoperative if the licensee of the main broker becomes inoperative. So the brokerage also goes, right? Brokerage is because of a managing broker. Employee or contracting. Under the new Real Estate Services Act, it permits licensee to be either employed by the brokerage or as an independent contractor with the brokerage. The Real Estate Services Act rules contain a number of provisions to ensure that licensees deal fairly with all parties to the transaction, such as licensee must make clear for which party he or she acting, right? For owner or both, okay? Not receive compensation for more than one party. Highlight. So you are not receiving compensation for more than one party. If during the course of a transaction there are substantial changes in the information, the licensee is required to disclose. Highlight disclosure. You understand, right? So what are the three? Number one, must make clear party is acting for owner or buyer, right? Or for both. Number two, not receive for more than compensation for more than one party, right? Except with the full knowledge. Both parties must know. If during the course of transaction there are substantial changes and you're supposed to disclose the changes. Okay. So